Welcome to Whatcha Wearing Wednesday here at She's Got Legs, where fun and fashion collide. With this summer segment, we are taking your basic black into fabulous. So bringing different ideas for you to layer up and play with some of the accessories and the pieces that we have. So on this side, we have our straight legs pants in black. We have a black tank underneath. Those are our base. And on this side, we have our summer lounge dress in our black. So as you can see, just alone, they're pretty plain. Now we're going to play with some accessories. I'm not sure if this is on screen over here. So we have our easy clip bundle, which you can use with our shirts, you can use with our scarves, all the different pieces. And we love to see creative ways that you use them. So be sure to share your content with us. So we have those. We have our magnetic clothing clips, which we have in the metals. We have silver and gold, and we have them in the crystals. We have pink and gray and clear. So those are just, you're gonna see little ways that we just zhoosh it up. We have our necklace pieces. We have our glam jewel pieces where we have necklaces in silver and gold. And then you have your clip-on clusters that have the different colors depending on your outfits. If you're doing blue, greens, if you're doing pinks, if you're doing, here we have blacks and reds and grays. So lots of fun with those pieces. And we have these items. So we have scarves that we're adding. We have a belt we're adding. We have over pieces, both sleeveless and sleeved. So we're just gonna have some fun today and play a little bit. Dress up, that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna move this out the way. I'm gonna move to the back. So I know this is a great shot, but you don't wanna spend the day looking at that piece of goodness. So first of all, we're going to start with her. We have the basic black. We're going to add just the gold belt. We're going to add that into there. So if you're looking to draw in your waistline, you can add in the belt, and that's going to pull that eye in. Then we're also going to layer up with one of our summer swing vest. We're just adding this over here. Again, I was going to move to the back because of that reason. So you can see two things we added. What an elegant look you have going on there. You could put pumps. You can wear that out for dinner, for sure, anywhere. Nice bag. You can add in a scarf with that. Our black and white scarf here. We're going to tie that in around the neck. You can drape that over your shoulders. However it is you want to wear that scarf, you can wear that. You can use one of our clips and play with that. We do have videos on our easy clip item page, and you can watch the videos. They teach you how to weave the scarf in and out of the different pieces. So we have that look going on. We also have down at the bottom on the leg, we have one of the magnetic clips. So over here is just plain. Over here we've added the magnetic clip, and you can adjust the length, or you can just add a little bit of sparkle to the bottom there, and how that changes the look so dramatically with one little piece. So we love that. So let's play with our other friend over here. Just your basic dress. We have a scarf hanging back here. We're going to drape it over. Some of us don't care for our arms, want to keep them hidden. This is a great way to do that. You're draping the scarf around. We have one of our rings off of the easy clip here. It comes with the elastic, so you put the ring on, you put the fabric over, you put the elastic, and it hides the ring. And it's keeping that draped across your shoulders. Hang on, I gotta. Okay, this one I should probably do from the front because it's a little bit wiggled there. Wiggled. Let's unwiggle it. So this is just showing you how a scarf can add a little layer of conversation and elegance to your outfit. So super fun with that. playing on that color, let's bring in the jean jacket that has the same scarf tied around it. So I'm going to pull that jean jacket, and we're going to move the scarf so it's more around the neck. And we're going to layer in the jean jacket on here. If you're like a certain age, you love a popped collar, just adds a little fun and funk to the outfit. So you have changed that whole look with just a jacket. We have our earrings. All you need is love. You can add color with that. It's pulling out the colors in there. It's working with the blues and a little bit of sparkle. These are from our Glam Jewels drawer. You can find those in there. Let's play with color over on the pant outfit. So we're going to take off the layer of scarf and the outer. Well, before I do that, I want to show you. So this is with a belt on your tummy. There's many people that are not comfortable putting a belt on their tummy. So let's see what else we can do. We'll take off that belt, put that on our accessory table, and we're going to layer in some jewelry. We're going to layer in some gold with a gold necklace and the gold cluster. And then with the white, we're going to introduce the pearl. So yes, you can mix metals. Yes, you can mix sizes. There are no rules to feeling good. You just got to do what you love. So here it's taking the attention off of this and bringing it up. You can also, if you really want to draw the attention upward, you could wear the cluster short. They're designed to wear long or short, and that brings it up to the neck. And again, if you did have that belt on, you could wear those together as well. Pair of gold shoes with that. You're looking pretty smoking hot, let me tell you. Okay, we could also, with those magnetic clusters, I have a little gold cluster here. We're just going to add it to the banding and dress that up. Simple clip, easy look. You could take that off and you could do it right on the tank top. And again, it just adds a little bit of class in there. Okay, let's play with some color. That was very black and white. I'm going to take those off. Back to basics. Let's add in some green. Popping green on here with one of our dusters. And we have the same scarf that we have on the other the other model. Don't want to minimize her role here. So this scarf is predominantly pink and orange, but it does have the pops of green in it. So yes, you can wear it. You're going to tie that in. You put that ring clip on here. You can just tie it manually if you want. You can go down low, drawing that attention here and away from the mid. If you want it up high and around your neck for a nice elegant look, you can do that too. Changes the outfit just with a couple little pieces. We have, you could change to a green tank if you wanted. But there is the monochromatic look that's going down the middle here by keeping it all one color. If you want to cover your arms, let's pull that off. We have our soft pink Boss Babe blazer here. I'm bringing in a dressier look to that. You could put sneaks with that, some leather sneakers with it to give it kind of a dressy, casual look. You can add in some color with one of the clusters. This is our All You Need Is Love cluster, and it has so many of the different colors. It's one of my favorite pieces to travel with because it goes with so much. It just adds a little happy color going on in there. Again, you could wear that up top if you wanted the shorter cluster on your neck to draw attention. For our other friend over here, we're gonna go behind. We're gonna change out to pink instead of the jean jacket. And we're gonna go with, we'll take off the scarf here. We're gonna go with our flex jacket in the hot pink, power pink. And what a bright punch of color that brings. Super, super easy changes that you can do with just a couple pieces. If we want to go, you can mix the height of your pieces. So the lounge dress is long, the flex jacket is mid, the jean jacket is more cropped. You could throw on one of our dusters in the white, again back to a black and white, easy for different events that you're going to, or you could add in our new pink in the duster. Let's get that. Oh, that's not unbuttoned, so we're just gonna go like that. You can see the pink against the black looks beautiful. So many great little pieces, little wins that you can get from mixing and matching those. So even with my outfit today, I have on our Santorini dress and I have on the pearls. So I went a little bit dressier with my look, some fancy flip-flops. Now I can switch this up by changing my earrings to the colorful. I'm gonna take off my brooch. Oh, can I find that? That was the microphone. Take off that brooch. Put on some fun pops of color. Change out my shoes to my sneakers. Same outfit. Totally different look. Totally different vibe. With just a quick couple changes. You can do this. Have fun. It's so great to play with dress up. And again, you do what you want to do. There's no rules. There are no rules to feeling good. And remember to always be your own kind of beautiful.